The life cy- this is the life cycle of a star. The life cycle of a star starts with a stellar nebula made up of dust, rocks, and gas, which acts like a nursery, raising the stellar nebula into two possible stars, the average star and the massive star. Let's start with the average star. The average star is formed from the stellar nebula of average size, which is gases and rocks spinning together. The result in the gas called hydrogen becoming really heavy and thick. When the star gets really hot, the gas becomes a new gas called helium, making it go into in a stable state. After the star has gone a lot of helium, it becomes a red giant. The process continues until there's no more hydrogen. After the star becomes a red giant, some of its outer layers will die and become an outer layer of gas and dust known as a planetary nebula. After the planetary nebula is no longer hot enough to grow, it comes together and shrinks into a white dwarf. A white dwarf is no bigger than Earth and it slowly loses its glow. Once the white dwarf doesn't glow, it becomes a black dwarf. We haven't found a black dwarf yet because we think white dwarfs take so long to cool or lose their glow that one hasn't been made yet. Okay, now we're going on to the massive star cycle. The massive star is pretty much the same as an average star, but it has way more hydrogen atoms than an average star, and it makes it a lot bigger too. Massive stars then become red supergiants, which are massive stars that have grown so much that they consume everything in their path. After red supergiants has come to an end of their life, they make a really big explosion, which is called a supernova, and they create heavy metals like gold and lead that are not replaceable on Earth. After the supernova, one of two things can happen. It forms a neutron star or a black hole. Let's talk about the neutron star first. Neutron star is a rapidly spinning object that is quite tiny compared to other things in the universe, but is actually 30 kilometers across. Now the other possibility, a black hole. A black hole is so dense that it warps the fabric of space. A black hole also has so much gravity because of the density that it sucks everything in, including light, which is why they're called black holes.